Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use OBS Studio, how to set it up, and how to download it. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to search up OBS, and there should be a little link at the top. What you want to do is you want to click that link, and it'll bring you to the website. What you want to do is you want to open you want to click on the thing that says Windows, Linux, or Mac, whichever computer you're using, and it should download. If you're on Microsoft Edge, hit save, and then it'll do a little scan, and then it will say run on the bottom. Now, if you're on Chrome, it says this file is dangerous. You want to hit keep. It's not dangerous. This is by the website, that made it. And this is used over millions of people, like Tfue, Ninja, and even Daquan. So, you want to click that, and then go to your downloads, and it should be somewhere in there. What you're going to do is click on it. Next. And you just want to go through the steps, and then you'll get this. It'll run it, but it'll ask some questions. Now, answer the questions, and then go to settings, go to stream, and if you want to stream, then pick what you want to stream on. I'm going to do YouTube, and do the primary YouTube if you're doing YouTube, and then do go online, search up YouTube, go to Creator Studio, go to Live, then scroll all the way down and get your stream key, pop that bad boy in there. Then with recording, you the slower your CPU is, then the bigger you want this to be. The bigger you want it to be. So wait 1 second. Is that working good? Yeah, that's working good. Okay. You can choose all this stuff. Choose that stuff. But then you can do little hotkeys. You can do start recording and stop. But you want to go over to advanced. I think that should be good. And then what you want to do is hello? Oh, there we go. What you want to do is go over. Well, I'm gonna make a new scene. Oh, sorry, you guys see nothing. But you see right here, when you go to your scene, you wanna hit the plus button, and then pick whatever you want. If you hit video capturing device, then it will 1 second. It will add this little webcam right here that I have, and then you can add this. If you do display capture, then it'll do no matter what you're seeing, you see this. But I don't want to do that. So, but if you want to do it, then you can select a window, only one thing to capture. So, 1 second. 1 second. No, that won't work. For me it won't work, at least. Game capture, I guess? If the first one doesn't work, go to game capture. Go to whatever window. Well, I guess it's not there, but whatever. Then you can do whatever you want. And you want to know how to do this little thing right here. So like it had a little fancy to your, what you call it, to your webcam. Let's hear. If I put that there, then you don't see my mouse. Okay, but what you want to do, wait, yeah, wait, let me delete this. What you want to do is you want to hit this, hit, what you call it, color source. Oh, okay, select a color. So if I want to do black, for example, go here, okay. Then you see it goes over your webcam. Right here, you want to go down here, put this as